हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम देखेंगे नकल जॉइंट कैसे बनाते हैं इन सॉलिडवर्क्स। ओके, और ये है हमारा नकल जॉइंट। इसे हमने डिफरेंट कलर दिए ताकि हमें पहचानने में आसानी हो कि कौन सा पार्ट क्या काम करता है। ओके, फर्स्ट वी टेक पार्ट बनाएंगे हम सबसे पहले। देन ओके, choose the front plane and sketch down on the front plane. Okay, so now take a circle with the outer dia is 100 mm and inner dia is 50 mm. Okay, now take a corner rectangle and click on the corner of this circle. Okay, and draw a center line from the origin. Okay, now select these three lines and make the relation between these lines symmetric. Okay, now small dimension, the length of the rectangle is 140 and the height is 60 mm. Okay, now trim the unwanted lines using power trim command and make the fillet about these two corners about 50 radius. Okay, now look, now it look like. Okay, so we have to extrude this sketch up to 60 mm. Okay, so let's start it to feature, then extrude. Now extrude it up to 60 mm. Okay, this is okay. Now select this side and sketch a circle with the dia of 50. Okay, that's 50. Okay, make the relation between this coordinate and this center of the circle is horizontal. Okay, now take control plus take this circle center and this horizon center, make the relation horizontal. Okay, now small dimension about 30. Okay, draw a line on the corner of this like this. Okay, small dimension, take a dimension 18.06 and this and 18.06. Okay, now हमें चाहिए ये जो हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करा हुआ है कॉर्नर, ये हमें चारों कॉर्नर पे चाहिए। तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको मिरर करेंगे। मिरर करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ दिस सर्कल, ओके, लाइक दिस, ओके, एंड from the right side like this. Now choose the mirror command and select the mirror entities, these lines, and about mirror center line this. Okay, mirror entities, one more. Okay. Now same as mirror entities, this line, choose this line, this line, and about the line center. Okay, this is, we have to extrude cut these selected counters, this, okay, about up to 60 mm. So about 60 mm. Okay, now sketch visible and extrude this circle and up to 120.5. Okay, okay, like this height, and use fillet command use, and the radius is 12, and select these corners, okay, ये हमें ऐसे दिखेंगे। Now we can choose to different material by appearance, then we use the metals, and here we use iron, okay, then we have cast iron, ओके। हम इस पे कलर करेंगे ताकि हमारा जो डायग्राम है वो हमें डिफरेंट पार्ट्स की जानकारी दे, तो हम मतलब डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को इजीली पहचान पाए कि ये कौन से पार्ट्स हैं। तो हम यहाँ पे इस रॉड को हम इस लाइन से सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ओके, देन लेट्स से, ओके, यहाँ पे हमारा नक्कल जॉइंट के पहला पार्ट तैयार हो चुका है और इसे हम सेव करेंगे बाय Ctrl+S दबाते हैं। अब हम सेकंड पार्ट बनाएंगे। सेकंड पार्ट बनाने के लिए न्यू फाइल क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, और तो न्यू फाइल में हम टॉप प्लेन लेंगे एंड स्केच करेंगे हम एक सेंटर रेक्टेंगल सिलेक्ट करेंगे और इसके डायमेंशन देंगे हम 120 लेंथ, and height is about 250, okay. Now this, okay, then feature extrude, हम इसे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अप टू 100 mm, 100 mm. Okay. Yes. Okay. We choose this plane, normal and sketch. We have to draw the in this side 2 circles. उससे पहले हम यहाँ पे सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. Draw the center line. Okay. Like this. Okay. And make the circle little bit higher. Okay. Now dimension, choose 120, and this dimension is 60. Okay. And between these 2 points we have distance 4. Okay. Now this point and this point we have 150. Okay. Now we have to choose line, command, and drag it down. Okay. Vertical distance तो यहाँ से सेंटर लाइन से इस लाइन की दूरी है 30. Okay. Now take mirror entities like this and about the mirror. Okay. Again take line इसके लाइन से. Okay. And okay, we have to make a relation between this line and this circle is tangent. Okay. So control so choose the line, control plus this circle is tangent. Okay. And also this is tangent. Okay. Now we have to trim these entities. Okay. So we have feature, then extrude cut. Before extrude cut we have to convert this entity. Okay. Now feature, then extrude cut, entities चूज करना है हमें. These entities through all. Okay. We have this. Now select this face, normal, and sketch the circle and make a relation between this line and this circle as a tangent. Okay. Same as this line and this circle tangent, and this line control this tangent. Okay. Now make another circle like this, and this is about diameter of 50. Okay. Now again we choose this corners rectangular. This. Okay. draw a center line between this and choose these three lines. Make relation symmetric and dimension give to 60. Okay, now trim this entity and make fillet 50 about between these two sketches. Okay, now we have to convert these entities. Okay, and this is converted. Okay, now feature, then extrude cut these and this circle also, and make direction throughout. Okay, look like that. Now choose this face, then normal. Okay, then sketch, at the center line. It is vertical. Okay, center line, center circle, and this circle, and length dia is 50. Okay, this is between this circle is 30. Okay, now we have to draw a corner same as a first part, so we have to draw this line and make a dimension about 18.06 and 18.06. Okay, now use same as mirror command these entities about the mirror this. Okay, now again we choose mirror entities, these 6 lines, and before that we have to draw a center line. Okay, like this, and now choose mirror entities, these the 6 lines about mirror this. Okay, and this is our feature. Then extrude cut, selected corners like these, and these behind 60. Okay, now again we go sketch and extrude this circle about 120.5. Okay, and let hide this. Okay, this is second part, and we assign some colors. Okay, now save, control plus S. Okay, now third part is a rod, new part, sketch front plane and sketch. Okay, first we draw a center line like this, convert it to a geometrical line. Okay, so we have to draw a rod, a pin. Basically we have this, draw like this. Before that, a center line. Make a relation with these three lines symmetric. Okay, now the total length of this rod is 157, and this height is 35. Okay, okay, now this line is about 25. Okay, this length is 12. Now feature, then revolve command. Yes, and then select the axis and rotate. Okay, now we have to choose top plan, normal, and we have to sketch a circle. This circle make diameter 6. Okay, and between this center of circle and this line is 130. Okay, 130, and make relation between this coordinate system and this center line as a horizontal. Okay, now feature, extrude. Okay, mid plane and extrude up to this, like this. Now here hole is created. Okay, then we assign a color for this rod as yellow. Okay, we have this. Now we have to draw, control plus S and save. We have to draw a new part, collar. sketch and sketch at the top. Okay, so we have to draw a collar. I have to draw a circle. Okay, we can do circles and dimension take 70 and inner dimension is 50. Okay, now feature then extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, now choose the right plane and set a normal and sketch. Okay, we have to draw a hole, then we have drawn a circle and this circle about 6 and this between this line is about 10. Okay, and make a relation between these center lines as a vertical. Okay, and we have to extrude cut the circle from the mid plane. Okay, now increase. Okay, like this, and our color is created and we assign a color for the color is green. Okay, so control plus S and save. Okay, now we have last part to draw a part for okay front plane and sketch a circle of 6 diameter. We have to draw a pin. Okay, paper pin we have to draw and dimension take 6. Okay, now the extrude up to 72. Okay, and assign this color blue. Okay, and save. Control plus S. So our parts are ready. Now assemble it. Now assembling these parts, and to assemble this part we have create a file new and then assembly. Okay, uh, let insert component, click it, and we have parts knuckle. Okay, first part we have to drag it in a screen. Okay, now insert the second part. Okay. uh, Now we have to meet this part in between this gap. Okay, so meet this circle and this circle. Okay, uh, meet meet this outer surface and this inner surface. Okay, and let's see. Okay, this is how we made these parts, and choose insert the pin, sorry, the shaft connector. Okay, so we have to mate this outer surface between these circles, assign it concentric. Again we made this surface and the surface of knuckle joint. Okay, and now we have to mate insert collar, open like this. Okay, we have to mate this collar, choose this center and this surface of the. Okay, now we have again this circle, this hole and this hole mate concentric, and last part of the knuckle joint is pin, a paper pin. I insert. We have drawn in a paper pin. Open. Okay. Now mate, apply mate this surface into this hole. Okay. And concentric. Now this circle between this surface. Okay. Okay. Now our knuckle joint is ready. We have seen that the revolution of this knuckle joint, it revolves about 360 degree. So we have make some relation. Okay, so we have some make some relation, mechanical relation. Then we have to mate, and in this design tree we get advancement about this. Give this angle is 90. Okay, between these circles, and maximum maximum revolution of this joint about 230. We have assigned different degrees and minimum 90 degree. Okay, so let's look this. ये हमारी जो नक्कल जॉइंट है वो तैयार हो चुके हैं, और हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि इसे 230 डिग्री से आगे ये बैंड नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज कंप्लीट knuckle joint. Okay, so thank you.